helps lose weight, regulates the level of sugar in the blood, helps prevent heart disease, improves digestion, helps prevent heartburn, fight fungus and infections, strengthens the immune system, helps reduce cholesterol, relieves sore throat, improves the skin and reduces wrinkles, helps relieve cough, relieves nasal congestion, helps relieve headache, relieves sunburn, relieves insect bites, helps relieve muscle pain, helps relieve menstrual cramps, fight bad breath. It helps prevent osteoporosis, helps prevent cancer, fight stress and anxiety, helps prevent premature aging, improves blood circulation, relieves foot and leg pain, helps relieve arthritis, helps relieve gout, strengthens hair and prevents dandruff, helps relieve dermatitis, helps relieve psoriasis, relieves gum pain,